AlexGriffin239, back with another video today. Today I'm joined by Emma Bird. Her channel will be in the description, so subscribe to her. Today we're going to be doing the higher or lower game. You probably played it as a child. Okay, well basically Emma can shuffle the cards. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be laying the cards across the table, and then we're going to each take it in turns to guess if the card after the next card is higher or lower. Every time you get it wrong, we're going to put our hands into this hat, and each forfeit is going to be different, and then they'll get the forfeit, and the person who has the most forfeits after the whole game is the loser. So Emma, shuffle the cards so you don't know I'm cheating.
No, rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
Oh,
And I'm going to go lower.
oh. Right,
It's quite a hard number actually. So that is a 7.
higher.
Oh!
Yeah.
I'm going to go higher as well. I'm going to risk it. No!
You
Oh.
got a 6. Oh, is that, yeah, 6.
So I've got my
Right.
hand into this hat. I'm not going to look. This one. Okay.
Hose down.
Okay, so my first forfeit is going to be getting hosed down. Okay, so my first forfeit is getting hosed down. Emma's now going to do it. Okay, go.
It doesn't reach long enough.
Oh! Alright, that's enough. Oh! Okay, so I've just been hosed down. It's now Emma's go, because... Yeah.
Right. Okay. I'm gonna go higher.
Ha!
Oh my god.
She got a 6.
Okay.
So put your hand in the hat. Oh, open it. Teaspoon of powder. Curry powder.
How big? I'm
Uh,
joking. Oh!
yeah, that would do, that would do.
No!
Okay, just put it in, like if you're going to spit it out, spit it out that way.
Like, I was spitting.
Do it that way.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright, so we've both had one forfeit each now, so we're drawing. It's now my go, and it was a 6, and I'm going to go higher. 7.
Lower.
Oh, she's got 2. I'm going to go higher, because it's obviously going to be higher. 5.
Higher.
King. Alright, lower. 9.
Lower.
Ace. I'm going to go higher. Fuck.
You got an ace as well.
Okay, so I've got to put my hand in here again. This is my second forfeit. I'm going to go with this one.
Oh, shaving foam. Right.
So my second forfeit is shaving foam to the face.
That's really bad. You do get it if you want, because that's really bad. You're honest. Third time lucky. Oh my gosh.
Carry on. So it's an ace.
Higher.
4. Higher. Oh my... 4! You... Nah. That one.
Flower on head.
Go get the flour. Okay, so our third forfeit is flour. Is it on? Oh shit.
Nice hair. Where did you get it done? Higher. 5.
Oh, you're so lucky. Okay, so it is 5. I'm gonna go higher. 6.
Lower.
Higher. 5. Okay. So we've got through all of them.
Okay, so they're still shuffled up. Next round. Move them, Is it? Okay.
So she'll go and we're on 5. That was-
Okay. Shit. Right, I'm gonna go higher.
Alright, so it's Jack. I'm gonna go lower. Can't get the card. Oh my. I got the queen. I'm getting so unlucky. That one. Oh no, they are.
Oh no, they are.
Alrighty then.
Right, you ready?
Yeah. Do it on my head. That's what you're meant to
Like,
do.
completely
Yeah.
crack it.
Oh. That didn't even crack. Oh. Oh my god.
Tasty. Tasty. Tasty.
Is that 4 forfeits now?
Yeah.
I'm the queen.
Lower.
I want to go lower. Lower than 9. I got the queen! I can just feel it. It's going to be the ice bucket. I know it. Is it?
It's the ice bucket.
Okay, at least it washes all this off.
Okay.
Yeah, go. Oh! Shit. Alright, carry on.
Alright, okay. Shall I just say higher just so I get the last one?
It's up to you. It's a queen. Higher. And it's lower. So Emma wants the last one.
Alright.
So she's having the last one.
Salt in drink.
Oh. So the last forfeit Emma's getting, which is she's got to drink salt in water basically. That'll do. Like, put your hand over it and like shake it a bit. So, yeah, okay. So Emma's now
We
gonna,
like to drink with Emma. She gets it down in 8.
7, 6, 5, 4.
thanks to Emma for being in it with me. As I say, her link will be down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment for any other forfeit or video ideas. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.